Welcome to this DelfStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to change your email signature in Gmail. A signature lets you automatically add your name, contact details, or branding to every email that you send. First, open Gmail in your web browser and sign in with your account. Click on the gear icon to access the settings and click on See All Settings. In the General tab, scroll down until you find the Signature section. Click on Create New or select an existing one to edit it, and enter your desired text signature in the editor box. And you can also choose when the signature should appear for new emails and replies. Scroll down and click on Save Changes. And that's it. We just learned how to create, edit, and save an email signature in Gmail. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelfStack tutorial videos.